An affordable SUDA module enables voice control across devices, from robots to home IoT.
It's so bright, I don't like sunshine.
A blinder was lowered.
I am very sleepy. Could you make a cup of coffee?
The coffee machine is making coffee.
Could you add milk to the espresso?
The coffee machine is making latte.
The carpet is too dirty, by the way.
The vacuum cleaner has turned on.
What is in my refrigerator?
You have spaghetti, olive oil, garlic, red chili flakes, fresh parsley, Parmesan cheese, bottled water, orange juice, milk, Coca-Cola, and beer.
What food has the shortest shelf life in refrigerator?
Milk has the shorter shelf life in the refrigerator, with an expiration date of December 9, 2024.
I'm sweating, so I need to wash up.
The bathtub has turned on.
I want to heat up the soup.
The oven temperature was increased.
I think the room temperature is too high.
The air conditioner temperature was decreased.
I'm feeling chilly in my room.
The air conditioner temperature was increased.
Please check the weather in Las Vegas.
The weather has a high of around 54 degrees Fahrenheit and a low of 30 degrees Fahrenheit, with a 27% chance of rain. Mornings and evenings are cool.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.